Hi, I'm Preeti and I'm second generation entrepreneur at Holosafe Security Labels. We're a 16-year-old company which was incepted in 2008. We protect brand integrity and promote brand identity through various of our packaging solutions. We started as a holography company but soon ventured into labeling. Today we do pouches, shrink sleeves, labels, holograms, and RFID based track and trace solutions. For a long time, not having a digital press held us back. We weren't able to cater to short run jobs or jobs which require more SKUs or jobs that needed more variable data printing and personalization, such as serialization or variable QR codes. We saw a rising trend in B2C space where companies like nutraceutical brands, pet food brands, cosmetic and personal care brands were coming up, and we wanted to cater to such jobs which require highly personalized capabilities as well as short run capabilities. We weren't able to do quick sampling before, but we've been evaluating the digital printing space in the last 2 years, and that's when our relationship with Monotech started. We evaluated several presses from different global manufacturers, and we decided to go with ColorSmart because of the kind of versatile substrates it offers along with its print quality, which matched our business goal. I think the good part about this press is that it has an inline flexo unit which allows us to do various kind of coatings and primers before going on with the 6-color printing that it offers. So we can print 6 colors, which is CMYK orange, and the kind of by using the flexo unit, we can, let's say, do a white base coating on a clear paper before doing the 6-color printing for beverage labels. And then it offers the flexibility to go and work with a lot of different kind of substrates like VOPP, synthetic materials, paper, metallized paper, and this allows us to cater to the needs of diversified brands. So through this press, we wanted to cater to the rising need of having a digital passport on products. Especially in the Western world, this trend has been implemented on a vast scale, and India is going to catch up soon through having a QR code or a RFID based solution. And that's where we wanted to serve. A lot of our nutraceutical or pharma clients require these serialization of QR code based data to be printed on products so that they can have more information, and this information can change based on who's using this QR code. So this company is growing year on year at least by 60%, and our needs are ever evolving, and I'm sure in the future as well, Monotech will be able to help with our needs.